Hey everyone, welcome back to Wiggin with Christi. I'm Christi. Today I'm bringing you a review of Picture Perfect by Tressallure. This wig was sent to me by Wig Studio 1. I just want to thank them for providing me the wig to review for you, but these are my own thoughts and opinions. And so down below you can check out their Facebook group, Wig Studio 1 Wig and Topper Support Group. We'd love to have you join our group. Great group of community. Also down below is links of how you can get this wig, save money off this wig, and connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. Let's go ahead and dive into this review. All right, I have to apologize. I have this backdrop up again, but I donated my poles to my church to let them borrow it for an event, and I forgot. I still don't have them back. So it is what it is. We're filming with this tonight, but actually we'll show the color pretty well. So no big deal on that. I think that's fine, but I just wanted to explain to you why there's no backdrop again in my video tonight. So this wig I actually got because we wanted to do content for the Wig Studio 1 channel. The color R8R by Tressallure. Working as a PHC, I was helping clients. They wanted to look at this color, and we did not have this color on our channel. And so I reached out to Andrea, and we were talking about doing brunettes. I had a lot of people request a brunette live in that group. I go live in that group once a week with some education. And so I'm gonna be doing a brunette live in January, and we decided to also get this wig to showcase in a video and also showcase in the live this color. I'm in love with this piece. I literally have been wanting to put this piece on my head since it arrived to me in the mail, which was about a couple weeks ago. And I'm just now getting to the point to review it, and I always review out of the box how it looks like out of the box. I don't style my wigs. All my wigs are right out of the box. I've done nothing to them. I want you to see what you are getting in the mail. And so this is exactly right out of the box, but I've been dying to wear it, and I am in love. I've literally had it on my wig, on my head, 1 minute and 38 seconds, and I love this piece. I've noticed it on a few ladies, and it looks so incredible. Now, this is in a darker color, so let's go ahead and take a look at this lace front. I'm not wearing a wig grip on my head. Look how natural that lace front looks. Let's go ahead and part it because we have a full mono top on this piece. And I typically like to wear my wigs on this side. I'm not wearing my wig grip underneath. Look at that part. This is on the right-hand side. Look at that right-hand side part. Look how natural that looks. Let's try the middle. Oh, guys, can I order this wig in every color? I think I'm going to. So I have the Sensational wig by Tressallure, and I have it in the 10-130, and I love that piece. It's a very nice piece as well. This reminds me of that piece, just a shorter. It's that heat-friendly fiber. This is still their styleable, effortless fiber, so you can apply heat to this. It feels so soft. Guys, I've been impressed with Tressallure lately. I really have, and this piece has me in love. I really want to order it in a few different colors. Now, mind you, this is right out of the box review, so I have not worn it, but what I have noticed is the Tressallure fibers do really good. I've noticed, at least when I've worn my pieces. Okay, so it just feels like my bio hair, so I think that's why I'm so in love with it, because this is my natural color. If you knew Christi back in the day, before I started coloring it, this is how it looked. And then there was times I would dye my hair back to my dark natural look, and this is how it was. So for me, And I sometimes say this when I do dark wigs. I think there's one pull in here. It's just a shed. Whenever I wear pieces that feel like going home, I always say I feel like I'm going home when I put on this wig, and I really do with this one. I mean, I think my smile says it all. Look at that hairline. It's just so cute. I can't wait to show my husband. But this piece is very lightweight. It says it's a 5.69, but honestly, it feels very lightweight, very natural density, very, like, the movement is just incredible. Full monotop, great features. We'll go ahead and show you inside the cap. Let's go ahead and do a spin here first, and then we'll take a look outside. We'll do some styling and take a look inside the cap, look at the color, and do some final thoughts. So this Picture Perfect has a temple-to-temple lace front, mono top, hand-tied velvet felt ear tabs, velvet felt extended nape with Velcro adjusters, very nice cap features for Tressallure, great stretch, feels very lightweight. Let's go ahead and do a color. This is an 8R. And the only color description out there, medium brown. But we can see some dimension to this color, correct? Let's go ahead and put this back on. Okay, final thoughts on this piece. The feathered layers, there's like long layers. It's kind of like that long bob, you know. They say collared length, but it goes past my collars, but I'm short, so it could be why. It just feels so incredible. I will say this, the ear tabs, I noticed that the metal in the ear tabs is like pretty long. It feels longer than usual. Like from here to here, it just feels really sturdy though. It feels really sturdy. I love this piece. Oh my gosh, I need it in more colors. Have you guys tried Picture Perfect? If you have, let me know down below what you guys think of this wig. I just want to thank Wig Studio for sending me the wig to review for you, but these are my own thoughts and opinions, and I think you gathered from my smile how much I like this piece. So don't forget to check out Wig Studio 1. They have a Facebook group and social medias all down below. Also a link to this wig as well. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have your support. And also I'm on Instagram, so if you have Instagram, look me up, Wiggin with Christi. I'd love to connect with you over there. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.